Okay, so here is a video on how to reset the service light on a Mark 4 Golf. Mark 4 Golf, we plug into the diagnostic port, which is in the middle underneath the central section there with the aircon and the radio. Key and ignition plugged in, and when we switch it on, it comes up service now. So we're going to switch the ignition on. Press button 1 and it asks us to select the address in German. So for this it's the dash panel insert, which is address word 17. So we select that. Tester sends address word 17 in German. And it comes up and tells us the part number of the dash panel, the coding of it. Combi VAG files is German for combi instrument, and we've got the software version and the workshop service code, and there's an arrow in the top corner, so we press the arrow there and then it tells us the immobilizer part number and the immobilizer serial number, because that's built into the dash panel on the Mark 4 Golf. Again, the arrow in the top corner, so we press the corresponding arrow. It tells us to select a function. So for this we want to do function 10, 1, 0, and then we press it says Q in the top corner, so we press the Q button to select it. And then it asks us for the channel number. So for resetting a service light on a Mark 4 Golf, the channel number is 02, as it is on most of the Volkswagens of this era. And it comes up with channel 2, and we press the forward arrow, and it's asking us to enter a selection, so we put 00000, all the zeros to reset the service light. Q in the top corner again, so Q to select. It's now saved as 0. Q in the top corner, Q to select, and it's asking us, are we sure we want to save the value? And Q in the top corner says yes we do. So now there's an arrow in the top corner, so it's saved. We select function 06, which is to end output, Ausgabebeenden in German. And we've got a Q up in the top corner, so we press Q again, and we're out of it. So now, all being well, when we switch it off and switch it on again, the service light should be reset. Switch the ignition on, and the service light is reset. And there we have it. That procedure will work pretty much identical on most of the vehicles of this sort of era. Okay.